Some gloves.
It goes here.
No.
Sure, it's not here.
No. You don't know what you're talking. Come on.
You know what you're talking about, man.
This is so.
Uh-oh. Bam.
Bam.
What?
Bam.
There it is.
There we go.
There it is. Chico's on my team. I got good aim. Oh, it's gonna be Chico, me,
and me.
Is there a
and
box
Flavio
of balls?
And this goes.
Is the tank full?
What?
Is the tank full?
Yeah.
Sweet. See that fire spit?
Yeah, it's amazing. And this thing here, what is this?
That's an extra.
To pour here?
It's a barrel?
No, it's another barrel. I have two.
I thought it was a silencer.
And what's the difference between this one and this one?
That one has a spin to it.
Spin?
No, put a barrel to your face while it's loaded.
Well, it comes out down, goes up, so it goes forward spin.
So it's better.
So it goes further, straighter.
Look at these, man.
Boop, boop. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that, man. Let me get some of that, man. Let me get some of that.
What? ¿Por qué se te corta la cuerda?